Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the mean, the median, as well as the mode. And this we are going to focus on the different distribution shapes. So different distribution shapes. So to begin with, the relation between the mean, median, mode, it depends on the distribution. So distribution is very important. And in a unimodal symmetrical distribution, in unimodal symmetric distribution, what do we have? So in this, it is like a normal distribution, like a normal distribution. So all three measures are approximately the same. So all three are equal, are the same, and that is the mean is equal to median is equal to mode. So how is the graph in case the mean, median, mode are same? So this will be the perfect bell graph will be same, symmetric distribution. Next is in case of positively skewed, how is it present? So in terms of positively skewed distribution, there is a longer tail is towards the positive direction. So the longer tail is towards the positive direction. So what do we mean by that? So the graph, it moves like this. So it peaks earlier and then it subsides. This will be the positive skewed distribution. So in case of positive skewed distribution, what are the values? So this means that the mean is greater than the median is greater than the mode. So mean greater than median greater than the mode. Next, we are going to look at the figure A. So a figure A is, that is this. So this is what we are going to mention. So here in this figure A, there is a negatively skewed. Negatively skewed, that means the mean is greater than the median, is less than the median, and it is less than the mode. So let's look at the unimodal symmetric. So just to recap, the unimodal symmetric distribution, it means the mean is greater than the median greater than the mode. And positive, the mean is greater than the median greater than the mode. In negative, it is going to be the mean less than the median less than the mode. So in any distribution curves, the mode is generally the highest point. So if you see any distribution, the mode is nothing but the highest point. And the mean will be, and what about the mean? The mean will be pulled up or down. The mean will be, it is pulled up or down, and this is based on the value of distribution. Based on the value of the distribution. So the median will lie between the median and mode. So the median lies between the median and the mode. Between the mode and the mean, median will lie between the mean and the mode. Mean and the mode, and divide the distribution into two equal halves. So it is divided into two equal halves. Two equal halves. So a bimodal distribution will have 2 points just like this. So what is meant by bimodal? Bimodal distribution, this is basically a bimodal distribution with 2 peaks. So when you go by mathematics, mathematically the relationship between the mean, median, mode is a symmetrical distribution. So the mean, median, and the mode, it is going to be a symmetric distribution, and it can be given as the mode is equal to a 3 median minus 2 mean. So the mode is equal to 3 times the median minus 2 times the mean, or you can put it as the mean is equal to half of the 3 median minus mode. So the mean is equal to half of the 3 median minus the mode. So outlier is a what is outlier? So outlier is a statistical term used to observation for an observation or the value. So it is used for the observation or the value, and it is very distinct from the other observations in the distribution. So it's very distinct from other observations in the distribution. So in distributions with the outliers, so in a distribution with the outliers, it is preferred measure of the central tendency is the mean. The preferred measure of the central tendency is the median. So the mode, if you see, the mode is least effective by outliers. The mode is least effective by outliers. And mean, if you see, it is the most effective. The mean, it is the most effective out of the all measures of location. It is the most effective. So least affected by outliers is the mode, and the mean is the most affected by of all measures of location.